Good morning student, this is MSc Physics first, semester second, paper second, atoms and molecule. Now we have to discuss today the coupling schemes. There are two types of coupling scheme. First one is LS coupling and second one is JJ coupling. First one is LS coupling. LS coupling means Russell-Saunders coupling. In this coupling, for multi-electrons atoms where the spin orbit coupling is weak, this coupling is useful for weak or lighter atoms. It can be pre-assumed that the orbital angular momenta of the individual electrons at to form a resultant orbital angular momentum L. Likewise, the individual spin angular momenta are pre-assumed to couple to produce a resultant spin angular momentum S. The L and S combine to form the total angular momentum. S means spin angular momentum, L means angular momentum. The total angular momentum J is equal to L plus S. This kind of combination is visualized in terms of vector atom model of an angular momentum. We already discussed this model in TYBSc. This is the diagram of J is equal to L plus S, total angular momentum, S spin as well as L angular momenta. Coupling of these two S and L and S, these create J. J means total angular momentum quantum number. These are the ray diagram using this J is equal to L plus equation. In this example, L is equal to 1 and S is equal to half. The J value is 3 by 2. The spinning is 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. Two spinnings are upside and two spinnings are downside. The next example, L is equal to 1 and S is equal to minus half. The equation, the value of J is equal to 1 half. The mg is equal to is total angular momentum plus half as well as minus half. This kind of coupling scheme is called LS or Russell-Saunders coupling, and it is found to give good agreement with the observed spectral details for many light atoms. For heavier atoms, another coupling scheme called JJ coupling provides better agreement with experiment. The vector model illustrated above was applied to a single electron, but a similar model can be applied when multiple electrons contribute to the net angular momentum. If identical electrons are involved, then proper care must be taken to make sure the combination produces an anti-symmetric wave function upon exchange of identical electrons. For example, consider the electron configuration of titanium. The atomic number is 22. The electrons configuration argon 3d is 2, 4s 2. Argon atomic number is 18 and remaining 4 electrons are 3d2 and 4s2. The total atomic number is 22. The 4s electron contribute to a closed shell and the 3d2 electrons contribute to the net angular momentum. Under the LS coupling condition, this gives the following details. L1 plus L2 is equal to capital L. L1 value is 2 and L2 is 2. The total angular momentum is 4. The values are 4, 3, 2, 0, 1 and 0. These are the values of angular momentum. Then spinning is S1 plus S2 is equal to capital S. The first spinning is plus half plus half is equal to 1, then half minus half is equal to 0. There are two possible values, 0 and 1. Therefore, J is equal to L plus S. The values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These identical electrons must produce anti-symmetric wave function. Psi is equal to psi spin into psi orbital. Since S is equal to 1 represents a symmetric spin state, it must couple with anti-symmetric orbital state L is equal to 1 and L is equal to 3. The possibility of J equal to 5 is excluded by symmetry consideration for the identical electrons, but the other state can be visualized by the vector model. Then second one is J coupling. In light atom, the interaction between the orbital angular momenta of individual electrons is stronger than the spin-orbit coupling between the spin and orbital angular momenta. These cases are described by LS coupling. However, for heavier elements with larger nuclear charge, the spin-orbit interaction becomes strong as the interaction between individual spins of orbital angular momenta. In those cases, the spin and orbital angular momenta of individual electrons tends to couple to form individual electron angular momenta. J1 is equal to L1 plus S1, J2 is equal to L2 plus S2, J3 is equal to L3 plus S3 and so on. Therefore, J is equal to summation tends to I into J of ith term. Another case where the overall L and S are decoupled is the case where there is a very strong external magnetic field applied. This is called as Paschen-Bach effect. Okay, this is JJ coupling. Thank you very much.